In this video, you'll learn how to earn cryptocurrency for free on Binance. By following these steps, you can take advantage of various promotions that the platform offers, allowing you to increase your crypto holdings without any investment. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, locate the Reward Center or Earn section, which can typically be found in the main menu. This area showcases all available campaigns that offer free crypto. It is essential to read the eligibility rules for each campaign, as they often come with specific requirements and are usually time limited. Also, ensure that your account is verified, as this is a prerequisite for participating in many promotions. Next, you will need to complete the required activities associated with the campaigns you are interested in. This may involve participating in quizzes, completing onboarding tasks, or fulfilling other specific requirements outlined in the campaign details. It is crucial to follow the instructions precisely and complete all tasks within the designated time frame. You can track your progress through the rewards dashboard, which will provide updates on your completed activities. Make sure not to skip any steps, as doing so may disqualify you from receiving rewards. If confirmation of your participation is needed, be sure to save any relevant documentation. Once you've successfully completed the required tasks, the next step is to claim your rewards. Navigate back to the Reward Center and follow the prompts to claim your earned crypto. After claiming, check your wallet to ensure that the cryptocurrency has been credited to your account. It is important to review the reward conditions carefully, as some promotions may have specific stipulations regarding the use of the rewards. Keeping a record of your reward history is advisable for future reference. And if you notice any discrepancies or missing rewards, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. Finally, make sure to use your earned rewards before they expire. Many promotions have a limited time frame in which the rewards must be utilized. By keeping track of these timelines, you can maximize the benefits of your participation in the campaigns. Being proactive in managing your rewards will help you fully take advantage of the opportunities available on Binance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.